I think about the Industrial Revolution and how it was such a turning point for the workforce and how people really had to change the skills that they needed. We're at that same inflection point right now. AI is changing the way we work every minute, every hour of our day. And so that demand is growing and exploding. Leaders want to have a future-ready workforce. And with the change in AI and how we work, we need to constantly be thinking about reskilling our talent and making sure that we have a workforce that can reskill themselves to be successful in the future.
The demand for reskilling is across every aspect of the economy. We're seeing it in tech industries, we're seeing it in manufacturing, we see it in retail. And there's lots of needs to support employees with softer skills.
40% of skills that people have today, by 2030, those skills will change. So as soon as you're hiring that talent, you're going to have to reskill them. Building your internal talent, it's faster than hiring. You already know that they're a great culture add. They know how to get work done at your organization. It helps really build your culture and then ultimately impact your business results. So the faster that we can reskill our internal talent, the better business outcomes we can have as a company and the more innovative we can be. When we think about upskilling, technology is changing so quickly. It's endless and it can't be stagnant. Our learning has to be iterative and we have to keep evolving how we work and how we build our skills because the skills are changing and the skills we have today are going to look very different in 5 years. You can come to Udemy and pretty much learn anything. So we have hundreds of thousands of classes on almost any topic that you want to learn or reskill yourself that you can take through our consumer portfolio, or your company can take these classes and help build the skills that your leaders need to make your business successful.
We are uniquely positioned at Udemy to deliver value to business at this moment in time. We have over almost 80,000 instructors who are incented to build the best and most current content. And that's different than a publisher model where people think of what needs to be built and it takes 6 months to get to a final answer. Now with AI, we have the ability to tailor those learning experiences. So what we're doing right now with our AI platform is we're fundamentally changing the learner experience and the ROI is much better. And what that allows them to do is to tailor, adapt, customize, make the learning journeys inside their enterprise way more specific, and therefore the outcome is going to be better.
My name's Todd McLeod, and I'm an instructor on Udemy. As instructors on Udemy, one of the things we really need to do is we need to be able to create courses quickly. The world is always changing, new technologies are emerging. So to keep ourselves and employers and any other students out there that want to learn from Udemy current with what's happening, we have to make courses quick. We have editors that we hire. I have a course production manager who manages the quality control of courses. So I focus on what I'm good at. It's this team effort that we have as instructors on Udemy to create courses which are relevant and timely and to be able to get them out there quickly. The way instructors at Udemy use AI to create courses is that we will use it to create structured course outlines, which allow us to teach courses in the most efficient and effective way possible. And then generating hands-on exercises for the course outline, and then also generating quiz questions for the course outline. So AI has really allowed instructors on Udemy to be more effective and more efficient and to produce a better product for the courses. So traditionally, if businesses wanted to train their employees, they might need to find a trainer, somebody with expertise. That would cost a lot of money. And then you might have employees within your organization where they're speaking different languages. But because Udemy is a multilingual platform with courses in many different languages, very quickly at a very low cost, you could get all of your employees trained. Whether you're a large organization or a small organization, Udemy empowers employers to get their employees more well trained so they can be more efficient and more effective.
Our approach to delivering the best experience to learners and instructor is grounded in classic design thinking and tweaking, something that an instructor, in traditional classroom setting would not be able to do. And AI has just helped us so much more to kind of speed that up. So we're really at the heart of it, anchored on the learner experience, using design thinking and working through every step with lots of data and lots of experimentation.
In the future, learning needs to be the thing that people are investing in to build skills. Otherwise, companies can become very stagnant. They won't have the skills that they need to compete, and eventually they'll go out of business. It needs to be seen as just as critical as your financials or as your product that you're delivering to your customers.
Yeah, the demand for online courses is not going to taper off. And actually what I'm expecting is the definition is going to fundamentally be redefined. So if I take the bigger definition of reskilling the workforce, that is not going away. That is only increasing because the rate of change has never been faster. And Udemy is positioned to be that partner, that coach, not just at a moment in time, but throughout your career.